Hey everybody, it's Jim with Triple J Bricks. Welcome back to another video. Today is organization day. I don't know why I'm doing that with my hand. I have a new system that I kind of mentioned in a previous video, but I think it is fully formed, or at least mostly formed. And it involves how do we sort parts into like a pre-sort for before they get uploaded to Bricklink. So let's dive in and take a look. All right, I just got back again from being gone, and we have let's see, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 orders. So let's run them down. Nothing huge, but which is kind of nice because it was very manageable for being gone so long. So this first one is from Ryan on Bricklink, $10.15. That was Ryan S. This is Ryan M. Also on Bricklink for $11.11. And then we have Christopher, $19.10. Then we have Kevin for $27.84. We have Robert for $16.94. We have Brickowl. This is our only Brickowl order. This is going out to Andrew for $10.67. Looks like he's doing some Batman stuff. Then we have Marco for $12.15. And finally, Jacqueline for $34.31. So thank you everybody for the orders. They are on their way. This order is going out to Brooke for $45.36. Cleared me out of a bunch of categories. Some sticker pieces. That's nice to see. That's kind of stuff leaving. Just a bunch of different things. But thank you so much, Brooke. It's on its way. This is going out to Jamie for $42.12. Probably trying to complete a little bit of the Disney Castle stuff. This is such a cool piece. I actually thought about keeping this because it's like could be a crown, but anyway. And then we have a couple of the Disney figs. Thank you so much. On their way. Okay, it's a little tight in here for doing all of this, but here is the system. Now, this is normally how I process hauls. However, this time, each place has a spot, and will be used in that way going forward, because sometimes what ends up happening is I just pull out a bunch of containers, throw different things in the containers, and then whatever. But this is now an actual system. So what I'm going to do is when any one of these gets full, including these larger ones that I showed in a previous video, and then we have some more Technic stuff over here, one by plates, accessories and different things, and then plant parts. When any of these get full, they will get uploaded. That's the system, because I have that entire bin of cleaned Lego ready to be sorted. I have this bin that I've been slowly working through and then kind of tweaking the system that I have here, and I have tweaked it. So let's just kind of run it down. So 1 by plates, accessories, and that's also including like old hinge pieces. I don't really know why, but it just works. Plants, anything plant related. This is like a small piece Technic bin. Yeah, pins, axles, gears, ratchet bricks, plates, anything that has pin or axle holes, and then miscellaneous Technic. Over here in this bin, which I got this bin actually free. Well, I bought it with a haul, but this was a really nice bin that it came in. So I believe this is technically an ornament organizer, but I'm using it for Lego. So I have Snot bricks, Technic bricks, plates, lift arms, Snot brackets, Technic brick plates with pins, panels and tall bricks, meaning like these types. Curve slopes, regular slopes, inverted slopes, round plates and bricks, including cylinders, curved bricks, plates, hinges and turntables, tiles and track plate. And down here we have 1 by brick and decorated brick, so like masonry and and the groove bricks, profile bricks, things like that. And then I have 1x studs, plates and tiles, clips and bars. That is grills and jumpers, cheese, 2x brick, wedge and modified plate, vehicle / large parts, and 2x plate. It's a lot, but I think this will be a good system. And this is something that I would have liked to have done in the past. I just didn't feel like I had room or space to do so. So I'm going to start with this and kind of see where we end up. I've just been taking bits from there and putting into here and just doing sorting just like I normally do. But this time I'm not doing things per haul. I am just doing things until they get full. Because what I used to do is I would get a haul, I'd clean it, I would sort it all just kind of like this, and then upload everything. And the thing is like, I would rather upload 1,000 studs and 1x plates rather than like 50. You know what I mean? And I think it'll be a good way to do it. It'll be a good way for me to get through categories faster. And yeah, I think it's gonna work. It feels good. It took me a little while. I had to make some changes to some of the labels because there were some pieces that I was seeing and I'm like, oh wait, I don't have a spot for these. And you know, some of this might not be labeled in a way that maybe works for you, but you have to label things how they work for your brain. And this is pretty much how I always sort and organize. So yeah, I'm gonna keep plugging away and I will maybe get through that bin, and then maybe we'll see how it shakes out and how we feel about it. All right, so I just kind of put this away because I was just doing some tidying up because I'm gonna be gone for a few days. But I did a little bit of sorting, and I did, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3, I think it was 3 kind of big heaping piles from that bin there. And this is what we're at. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, well, Jim, some of these are going to get filled pretty quickly. And maybe, yeah, you might be right. However, my thinking is these categories, there's larger bricks. These are ones that I want to do at like a greater scale. Like vehicle parts, large parts, that's sort of like a miscellaneous plus vehicles. Those I don't want to do constantly. That I want in a larger bin. Yeah, it's just some of these I want to do on a larger scale because they're also bigger pieces. Whereas these types of parts, I don't want them to get so overwhelming. It's like this weird middle ground. I don't want to do 20 studs or 30 studs from one single haul, but I also don't want to do like 10,000 studs. You know, like if I had an entire bin this size of just like 1x1 studs, plates, tiles, that feels so daunting. So it's like, I'm trying to find this like middle ground that works for me, that feels enough, you know? I also don't want Technic to get super out of control because, again, Technic can also feel daunting. So it's like, you gotta find what is the amount that you feel is, okay, that's full, and I feel like this is doable to upload and manageable, right? And that's kind of what I'm working with. Maybe these aren't the exact right specifications for what I want. You know, maybe some of these need some more room. Maybe some of these are going to overflow quicker than I want. But, you know, I can always adjust as we go. But that's kind of my thinking. Because I think when I was reflecting on this, I was like, yeah, maybe some of these are maybe kind of small. But at the same time, I don't want them to be that much bigger. Whereas these are okay, you know, like doing an entire thing of bricks, that actually doesn't take that long. Like, you know, once that fills up, that's going to go pretty quick. Because I've done a round of those already. And these are also going to go a little bit faster because there's just not as much. And I think I'll be able to process or sort quite a bit before these get full. I don't know. You know, we'll see. I'm going to keep plugging away at it. But I just kind of wanted to reiterate that point because I thought, you know, I was just trying to think about what y'all might be thinking. And I was also thinking it too, but that's sort of my explanation for it. All right, so I've probably done, 2, 3, 4 trayfuls of parts. And this is where I'm at. Nothing is super full yet. Some stuff is a little bit full, like slopes. You know, like it's getting there. But again, these are things that I just don't want to get out of hand. I don't want, you know, these take a while to upload. They're a bit tedious because there's several variations with certain clips. You know, like this is as much as I would want to do in one go of different parts. And I really am enjoying having a place for everything. Having a dedicated place for everything. And so, you know, we'll see. I might tweak some of this stuff here and there, but I'm pretty happy with how this is going so far. And I think we'll keep plugging away, but we'll probably end up doing more on this, and I'll probably update you as we go. There might be some things that change, but so far, I'm pretty happy with it. All right, everybody, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. But remember, until then, keep on building. Jim out.